Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream to decorate cake. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes will help the cream whip up faster and hold its shape better. This simple preparation ensures a stable and delicious topping. Now let's get whipping. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed with an electric mixer, gradually increasing to medium-high. You'll see the cream thicken and form soft peaks. Continue mixing until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape when the whisk is lifted. Be careful not to overmix or you'll end up with butter. Once your cream reaches soft peaks, it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. Gently fold in the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This type of sugar dissolves easily and helps stabilize the cream. Next, stir in the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. You can also experiment with other extracts like almond or peppermint for different flavors. Your beautiful whipped cream is now ready for decorating. Transfer it to a piping bag fitted with your favorite decorative tip. Apply it immediately to your cake for the best texture and appearance. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your freshly decorated cake with this light and airy topping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.